Hello, everyone, and welcome to another Motivational Monday. I am David Lewis. You know, we're all born into situations we have no control over. Some of us have tough things to overcome in life, while others seemingly spend much of their life on cruise control. It's just the way things are, and if we spend too much time thinking about our lot in life, we will probably end up being so busy with that there will be no time left to create the life we want to achieve for ourselves and our families. There's an old proverb that says, "Time and chance happens to everyone." Live long enough, and you will probably come to agree with that proverb over time. Like the famous question that sold millions of books for the person who wrote it, we all want an answer to why bad things happen to good people. In the car business, there used to be a popular saying that all buyers are liars. Now, some car salespeople probably came up with that to ease their conscience and make it easier to live with the way they treated their customers to get them to buy a car. It's a good thing we've learned better ways to do this business. Success today doesn't require us to use the pressure sales methods car salespeople were once famous for. The fact that we still hover near the bottom of the annual Gallup poll for honesty and ethics in professions should help keep us on our toes as we move to improve the future of this business for all of us. So, how do you avoid letting circumstances define the outcome of your life? By realizing that the decisions you make, either good or bad, will be the things that impact your life more than anything else. The best way to build the kind of life you want to have and the kind of future you want to build for yourself and your family is to make good decisions and be willing to change directions if you find you're making the ones that are not working well for you. Educate yourself to make good decisions and take the kinds of actions that will lead to success, and a good quality life for you and those you love will happen.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.